sure a lot of us, if not already, are starting to feel bored within our homes and trying to find things to do to pass the time. COVID cases go down and up, and before you know it, we're in a lockdown again and we're stuck within our homes. So I thought I'd share with you today some productive and satisfying things you could be doing whilst you're stuck at home so you can make the most of this opportunity and look on the brighter side of the situation that we're currently in. So the first productive thing you can be doing is decluttering and organizing everything. I'm talking about your home, your car, and your belongings. So these are all the physical places that you can be decluttering, but you can also declutter your digital spaces. For example, you can declutter the apps on your phone, just delete the apps that you don't use, or get rid of any photos on your phone that you don't like, and put the photos that you do like onto a hard drive or on your laptop and keep them organized. Another place you can be organizing is your email. So I use this website called unroll.me, and this helps me to unsubscribe to any emails that I don't want to receive from certain senders and organize my email list. The second thing you can be doing within your home is working on home maintenance and projects. So for example, if you have a household damage that you have had for a long time, it's been staring you in the face, why not go ahead and fix it up now? Call a professional or do it yourself by YouTubing it or Googling it if you have the tools and skills available to do that. On the other hand, if you have been doing a project for a while now and you still haven't completed it and it gives you a lot of sense of joy to do, why not go ahead and finish it up? Or if you've been wanting to start a project, why not start it now whilst you're at home and you probably have some more time to complete it. All right, number 3, start something, particularly things that do not require any face-to-face contact. For example, an online course, an online business, a blog, an online passive income stream, a side hustle, writing a book, or mentoring online, or you can start a YouTube channel like me. There are so many opportunities out there, you just need to go looking for them. However, it has to be something that you are committed to doing long after lockdowns have finished. So this is just a starting point to get you going, but it has to be something that you are really committed and consistent with. Number 4 is to nurture a passion. Are you passionate about growing and caring for things? Make a garden. Are you passionate about art? Then be creative and draw or paint something. I have 2 sisters who are really passionate about art, and they are posting almost every single day in our family group chat at the moment on the artworks that they're currently working on. So this really shows that they're growing their skills and they're enjoying a hobby of theirs to pass the time. If you are passionate about a specific thing, go ahead and pursue that interest. If you want to grow a specific skill, practice it daily, like learning a language, an instrument, or how to cook a specific dish or cuisine. Think about what you're passionate about and choose from there. And number 5, develop a healthy lifestyle in every single aspect. I'm talking about physically, mentally, spiritually, so on. Some ways you can do this is by working out. So if you usually go to the gym, but you don't have access to that because of a lockdown, why not create a home gym? I'm a huge fan of this. I've never had a gym membership and this is what I do all the time. All you really need is a yoga mat, and if you don't have access to this, just use a towel. That's all you need. You can just use your body weight to help you get a good workout and build some muscle. However, if you do want to purchase some equipment, I recommend getting just small pieces that you can easily store within your home, not big bulky machines that take up a lot of room and are expensive. I have a pair of 5 kilo dumbbells, a pair of 2 kilo ankle weights, and a extra heavy resistance band. This is all the equipment that I own and use at home for workouts, and if you want to get similar products, I'll leave some links in the description below. Another thing you can be doing, of course, is changing your diet. I'm not talking about going on those extreme diets that you do for a few days and then they die off. I'm talking about making a commitment to adjusting what you do and do not eat so you can develop a healthier diet over time. And lastly, I think this aspect of our health can be really overlooked or neglected, but our spiritual health is so important. So in saying that, if you are a Christian like me, or even if you're not, I encourage you to make a healthy habit of reading the Bible daily and talking to God daily through prayer. I find that by doing this, it fills me with so much hope, regardless of whatever situation I'm facing, and it reminds me to live intentionally and to glorify God wherever possible. So those are my 5 productive points on things you can start doing within your home. So choose one or a few that are relevant to you and start applying them today. And let me know in the comment section what productive points you are going to start doing so I can see what your interests are. Before you go, I want to encourage you to not lean on your own understanding, but to trust in God with your whole heart during this time that we're in. And once more, remember to love others and yourself. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.